Reinforcements have arrived. Unboxing today, Lord Castellan Ursula Creed for the Astra Militarum from Warhammer 40,000. This is another unboxing with me, Chris. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Holy moly. Very, very cool. Ursula Creed taking over for her dad. Nepotism seems to be rampant in the Imperium, but who knows? So, fantastic looking model. We don't get a standard bearer like the previous Creed model did, so I don't know, I guess you got to make up your own Creed standard bearer for this model. It is a single Citadel miniature in this box, and we can have a few options, it looks like, because you can do a staff or helmeted or unhelmeted. I think that's very, very cool. I like the unhelmeted, but the helmeted version is kind of growing on me. I kind of like how, this character is standing there and she's got the big coat and she's got the helmet on. She's leading from the front, it looks like. That's what it looks like. She's leading from the front. There's explosions going on all around her and she's directing traffic and, telling where troops are supposed to go and, get your butts back in the trenches kind of thing. Very, very cool. I dig it. I like it. Let's dive in. We'll grab the trusty, rusty blade of destiny here as I try not to cut myself. And I have cut myself a few times. I mean, you're not a real hobbyist unless you've cut yourself at least a couple times, getting into your boxes and cleaning your models and stuff. All right, how do I get into this box? I want to get in. I want to see this model. Let me see this model. I want to see it. I want to see it. Very, very cool. I suspect it is a single frame. I'd be very shocked if there was multiple frames in here. No, there's just a single base. Looks like a 32. I think it's a 32. Instruction booklet. Let's have a look at the instruction booklet. It's a very, very small little leaflet. It's got her profile and characteristics on the back. Put her two halves together. Yeah, very straightforward. It's a fold-out one. It's more like just like a little leaflet. Head options, very cool. Base is cool. It's all cool, man. It's all cool. Yeah, I think. Oh, you can even put her helmet on the base. Yeah, I dig the model. It's tons of character, and she's just kind of standing there in a stoic kind of pose, and I kind of dig it. I kind of dig it. Oh man, look at this. Look at all the details. Really cool looking base. I mean, they could put out one of those base sets again with plastic bases, like, they put out like a long time ago. Man, I would love to see more of this fine detail kind of stuff in that kind of base set. Very, very cool. So yeah, you can do her with the sword, you can do her with her staff, or her hands, what was it? Or her hands on her side or something. I can't remember now. But either way, very, very cool looking model. Man. A welcome update to this character, to the army, the Astra Militarum, and of course, they get their Lord Castellan again to lead their forces. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this. Big thank you to my patrons. Without your support, this channel would not be able to continue to do what it is that I do. And so a huge, huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support and all the brand new ones as well. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you. And I will see you in the next exciting unboxing or useless review or even a painting tutorial. Maybe a fresh tip or just a tip. Maybe you'll even tune in for a painting live stream or even Weigh the Brush live stream or holy moly, maybe even a battle report. Who knows? Who knows where I'll see you, but I will see you in the next exciting video.